Hello guys, so what I'm going to teach you today is how to create a YouTube short inside of Filmora. Now, in order to do this, we have to go to File, Project Settings, and change from 16 by 9 to 19 by 16, as you can see here. And I'm just going to keep this default resolution, which is 1080 by 1920. Let's click on OK. And as you can see here, my video is now a vertical video. It has some black bars because, it's not originally a vertical video. But you can easily remove this by adding something else on top, right? Now, let's go to Export. And now, we can either export this to our local device, but something that is very interesting and very convenient is to click on Social Media, and we can directly export this into YouTube, okay? So here, as you can see, I have my resolution, I have my title, and you can modify this whatever way you like, okay? Test video, and I will just go to export, and that will be automatically updated into my YouTube account. That's it. Thank you very much.